Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI for research projects. So first of all, define your research project or research questions. Clearly outline your topic or question. Be specific or for more accurate answers. Example, what are the effects of climate change on marine ecosystem, right? Or vegetables currently in season, right? And then search for information. Enter your query into the Perplexity AI search bar and then press enter. Perplexity will provide a concise answer along with links to the sources used. And then review the sources. Click the sources to follow up and get in-depth information about and verify the credibility of the answer, right? And then you can go back and ask a follow-up question on Perplexity, right? You could go back and ask a follow-up question, right? How does the ocean acidification affect coral reefs? And then organize your findings. Save key points and sources for your project. Note important insights, for example, and you can see right here they're related to follow-up questions. Go ahead and click any follow-up questions that triggers your curiosity, and validate information by comparing answers from the multiple searches for sources. By following these steps, you can gather reliable information quickly and efficiently for your research project. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.